In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your tasks within Google Calendar by demonstrating how you can easily delete unwanted tasks. We all know Google Calendar is a powerful tool for organizing our schedules and keeping track of tasks. However, part of maintaining an effective to-do list involves removing tasks that are no longer relevant. So, let's dive in and walk through this straightforward process together. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find a section labeled Tasks. This is your go-to spot for managing everything you've added to your list. Whether it's a reminder for a work deadline or a personal errand you need to complete, all of your tasks should be visible here. Now, to delete a task, start by clicking on the specific task you want to remove. This is an essential step because you first need to ensure that you've selected the correct task to avoid accidentally deleting something important. Once you click on the task, a window will pop up revealing more details about that particular entry. It could show its description, due date, and any other associated information you might have entered when creating it. After you've confirmed it's the right task, you'll see an option labeled Delete. This is usually situated somewhere at the bottom of the task detail window. Clicking this button will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you wish to remove the task. It's this extra step that helps you avoid errors, giving you one last chance to back out if needed. Once you're certain about deleting the task, simply confirm your decision, and just like that, the task will be removed from your list. It's as easy as that. This tiny cleanup can make a big difference in how you manage your workload, helping you keep your focus on what's most pressing without clutter. Before we finish, a quick tip. Periodically reviewing and cleaning up your tasks can be incredibly beneficial. Set aside a few minutes each week to go through your list, marking tasks as complete or removing those that are no longer necessary. This habit will keep your schedule organized and ensure that you're always aware of what really needs your attention. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful for managing your Google Calendar tasks. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful videos on using tech tools to streamline